this is Fun and I'm back with some Python module. So this is a very funny type of module, as you can see by the name Pyjokes. So in really, Python has this module which can create random jokes in here or make you giving a bony sick laugh. So for you this, we are going to open our command prompt like this, and simply we are going to write pip install Pyjokes. And it will say that the requirement is already satisfied, as I have already installed this package once. So now we are going to use this by opening the Python in our command prompt. We can open it in the and this is the Python terminal that we have opened. Now I'm going to write that import Pyjokes. You can also use this thing in the your Visual Studio Code or any Python interpreter, but this is a short video and the only motive is to explore this. So we are going to print. So we are going to print pyjokes dot get joke, pyjoke dot get joke, and let's print. So why did the Microsoft name their search in a Bing? Because it's not Google. Oh, so it is. You can see that it is so funny that why did Microsoft name their search in their Bing? They didn't. They did this because it was not Google. Ah, good joke. So by this, you can just really get some jokes in here. So I'm going to copy it down like this. Control. Okay. The terminal shortcut for copying is Control Shift C, as this is a terminal, so that's why. Okay, leave that thing, but you can see that how a joke has come, and this is really funny. So stay tuned to my channel to watch more of my Python programs, and please watch my Python course also. So bye bye.